We okay. Big Eliminators, Big LED is back again in this house. And you know, for some time now, I've been studying watercolors. I'm wondering why when I was a little boy, I couldn't appreciate the beauty of watercolors. But I'm beginning to appreciate it now, and I'm trying to get into the medium because, you know, I can't resist it. But there's a little problem, you know, the little boy in me wants to paint everything, and this is a big confusion. If you're a viewer of this channel, you already know that I love music. I'm a sucker for music. So in this box here, I've got a couple, well, let's say the names of my favorite musicians have been written on little sheets of paper and folded into tiny bits and put into this box. And so to get rid of this confusion, I'm going to put my hand into this box, and whichever name I pick out is who I'm going to draw. And I'm going to be doing this for the next couple of videos so that I kind of get better with this medium called watercolor and see how best I can express myself in it. So without much ado, you know how we do. It's the mascot. So now the moment of truth. Lord. So the thing is, I wasn't expecting to pick Lord at the beginning of this challenge. But what is a challenge if it's not challenging enough? So Lord it is. Every art YouTuber I watch kind of stresses on the point of having a very good reference to make your life very easy through the drawing process. We're trying to do faces, so let's get her face. So I found one that I really like. I think it's a good reference. I like the colors, and I'm going to work with this one. So let's get into it. So I discovered Lorde some 8 years ago when she made a great appearance at the Grammys, you know, the 56th Grammys, and yo, her music caught my attention. Like, I was amazed by the kind of sound that was coming out from this young lady's, you know, soul. It was kind of different, but I just felt a connection to it. Her song Royals was making the waves by then, and seeing her performance, I just went and downloaded the whole album, and I mean, the whole album kind of felt like my soundtrack during those years, you know, 8, 7, 6 years ago. I was just on that album, man. And you know, we're on each other's team. So the sketch is done, so I'm going to do the outlines right away with my Sharpie, and then we can do the color. We're on each other's team. If you want to be on the Big Eliminators team, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. You can call me Queen Bee, and maybe Aru, Aru, Aru. Let me live that fantasy. Watercolor tends to need a lot of water from my experience so far.
Whop it, look out for inspiration, draw it. You got it all inside a body, but you've been hiding. Hey, don't be silly, I give you motivation. Draw it, don't flop it, you got the magic, cause your eyes they see what be the vision.
I don't have an acrylic marker, so let's wiggle some correction fluid for my highlights. So it feels like a wrap for my first challenge on this watercolor journey. So as I roll the reveal shots, do want to leave me a comment, rate this artwork from 1 to 10, and let me see what else I need to do to improve in the next one. Remember, there are a lot more artists here that I have to work on, so leave me a comment and let's keep this going. The reveal.